kids! Welcome back to our learning channel. Today, we are going to learn about something really important in English grammar, pronouns. What are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun, so we don't have to repeat the same name again and again. Let's take an example. This is Sarah. Sarah loves to play football. Sarah also loves to read books. Sounds a little strange, right? Instead, we can say, this is Sarah. She loves to play football. She also loves to read books. Here, the word she is a pronoun, and it replaces the name Sarah. There are many pronouns we use every day. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are personal pronouns. He is very funny. This, that, these, those. These are demonstrative pronouns. This is my book. Those are your shoes. Who, which? That. These are relative pronouns. The girl who is singing is my sister. So remember, pronouns make our sentences shorter, smoother, and more fun to read or say. Try looking around and making your own sentences with pronouns today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English grammar lessons.